Hi everyone, just a little update about what is going on. So the day after I talk about try to be disciplined, I didn't do it. Hey, and what happened was I actually trade quite a bit that day. Let me see, how many times did I trade? Okay, so the day before that, right? Here's a statement before that. The day before that, I trade. So total commission was only 120. So you divide calculator. So 120 divided by 5, 2, 4. So 24 round trip, right? 24 round trip that day. So the next day, I'm talking about be more disciplined, right? So let me see how many trade I make that the next day. So the next day, commission was 150. So actually more. I trade more. So 150 divided by 5. So around 30 trade round trip. So that is quite a bit. 30 trade if you include like one back at just one time go, it's actually 60 trade, not just 30 trade, because only charge me $2.50 per trade. So that is actually a lot. I was not able to control myself, even though I got down my profit loss, because the thing is, in the morning I'm just so aggressive. Like seriously, I'm so aggressive. I start and look up some video being about how to eat healthy in the morning, taking cold shower, doing all of that, but actually get me more hyper and more aggressive, which is not good. So I'm not trying to blame anything, but I was not able to control myself from over trading, no matter how many times I say it. So it caused me another loss. Actually, I was way down more. Like in beginning of the morning, that caused me up to like almost $1,000 loss in gross profit loss right here. Let me see. In gross profit loss, I was like more than $1,000 in the morning. Then in the afternoon, wise, when the market calmed down. When the market calmed down, I feel like I'm more disciplined. And I was able to find better trade setup. So that when I get able to get it back most of the time so far. So only my first 2 trade in the morning I do good, and after that I just go down. And I was not able to control myself after that. So I'm back under PET rule to I think 2,700 something. I forgot, 790 something. So I decided I cannot do this anymore. Since I'm not able to control myself, I gotta find some way to help me control myself, right? So I go back into Etrade. So the last day I trade was the 14th, which is the 14th. That is Tuesday. Seriously, last week, right? My first day. Last week I traded on Tuesday. Was it on Tuesday? Tuesday or Wednesday, I forgot. Last week. And I'm under PET rule already. Then I had to wait for 2 more days to fund an account. Then I'm not able to trade for another week, right? So Tuesday I trade one day, and Monday I trade one day, and Tuesday I trade one day. And I was not able to trade again for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because I'm transferring my account back to Etrade just to help me control myself. Like literally overall my commission, so total commission, right? And total, because you also got a plus ECN fee too. So my other day, on Monday, it charged me $150 of commission. That's tell you how much overtrade I was. And the next day is that was that day, right? Yeah, the next day was let me see $220 commission. So 150 plus 220, that's 370. And I think my other day I also get up to around $200 commission, which is $550 commission. And I was talking about E-Trade being like expensive when I trade with them, and it only cost me $700 for 2 months of commission. And so this is only 3 days of trading. I'm like over trade. Since I'm not able to control myself, I have to find some way to control me. So I moved my account back to Etrade, but it's taking me forever, because the thing is I had to pull out money from what is it called, Lightspeed, then fund it to Etrade. So it funding. So I call Etrade, even though I have, what is it? Even though see, zero balance trading. But even though I have 25,000 in it right now, I have not any balance. So let me see. Account. So yeah, it's still pending, kinda. So I'm waiting. So they say that latest is Tuesday, able to trade, but hopefully Monday I can trade too. But yeah, just a little bit update. I'm not giving up on trading. Yes, I just learned that just go because not try to play him again, but hotkeys make me like feel like I'm in the trade and I can get out anytime. Make me become a scalper. I was scalping the whole time. I just get a few cents here and there. Before I get at least 10%. Here I just try to get 1, 2%, 3%. Anything is good, and the stock rip without me. Even though I got in the right stock go on without me, right? And I already got out. But the thing is, when I'm actually losing, I'm still in the. I'm willing to lose 10% when I'm only gaining like 2 or 3%. That's ridiculous risk and reward right there. It's just because of the ability of me able to get in and out of the stock so fast, make me get in and out of stock so fast. So yeah, actually hotkeys is good if you able to control your be more disciplined. But the thing is not good for me because I'm not a disciplined person at all. So I still have to work on that. So I moved my account back to Etrade where I have manually type in my order, place my order. So I will only play a stock which is way more calmer during calmer time and sell it and be more patient. That's what I need to work on. So even that, I don't think I could even overtrade with Etrade. Maybe I could, you never know with my personality, but still.
Okay.
Yes. Let me see. Oh, yes. I forgot to say. I'm also joining Dexmar trading group, right? So I'm in like a lot of different group right now. Dexmar seemed pretty good. His way of trading is really, really good. A lot of people like him. He's been calling out all the good all the good like parabolic so far. So it's pretty interesting. I like his chat room the most as of right now. Ross chat room, I'm trying to stay away from it because the thing is, they momentum trader. I mean, he's not a bad he's not bad teaching, but it doesn't fit me. It does. I find that out the hard way. It doesn't fit me, and so yeah, it's just an update. Okay, I will be trading next week. So, all right, have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.